Well, I'm getting the oil changed in the Camaro, in the truck here. I must have the Camaro on my mind. It needs some work. I just haven't had time lately. It's a 454 4-speed. But I put a 456 gear in it, and it's just geared too high. Anyway, I'm switching to synthetic because synthetic is all they had. But I don't know if anybody runs these things, but this is an OPS. I've had it on there for a long time, and it seems to work pretty damn good. Anyway, that's my next project. 71 Nova, original 4-speed car. This did look like that at one time. Took me about a year to get it there every weekend now. It's pretty bad to start another project when you haven't finished your project you've been working on. But for some reason I never seem to get anything done. I just have a lot of projects that are always constantly going. There's my big steers. I took them off because they didn't seem to handle really well in the snow. I'm gonna put them back on in the summertime. Tomorrow, I'm gonna finish changing all the oils in this thing. First oil change. I put 18,000 miles on it. And that's fresh motor, fresh transmission, fresh both rears. And that's all.